Connecting to the Tripper on the Shotgun 650 is pretty straightforward. Start with the bike turned off, then download and open the Royal Enfield app. Tap the connect button on the bottom right hand side of the screen and select Add a new device. If you're on a bike like the Shotgun, press connect to a Tripper pod, then turn on the ignition. The Tripper should appear in the app, hit connect and you'll get a 6-digit code on the Tripper pod. Type this code into the app and press connect device. Simple as that, you're now connected. Press the back arrow and you'll be able to enter the destination. Type it in our case it was perfect ramen weather, so off to Rising Sun Workshop for lunch, hit start navigation and follow the directions on the Tripper.